We are joined by senior Congress leader Rohin Reddy Garu. Sir, your government is organizing beauty pageant in Telangana amid farmers' struggle, farmers' suicide, is what KTR Garu has to say. Is it that the government will address the farmers' issues or will organize a beauty pageant contest which are not going to generate jobs, is what KTR is slamming the Congress government? What do you have to say?
First of all, I would like to say that Mr. KTR has lost his mental status. Because last time when he had come for the delimitation meeting also, on that platform he was talking something nonsense there also. So Mr. KTR should understand. I'll request Mr. KCR, please take KTR to any psychologist and get him tested. I'll tell you one thing. These people now talking about farmers. Last 10 years, KCR government regime, they didn't do 1 lakh loan waiver what they have promised. And so many farmers were dying here, and he is distributing the checks in Punjab and Maharashtra. So that is what the integrity and what is that love they had in last 10 years. My chief minister, after coming into power, he has waived 2 lakhs loan waiver for the farmers. Farmers are very much happy. And we are giving 500 rupees bonus for the paddy also. For 1 quintal of paddy, we are giving 500 rupees bonus. In this context, I didn't understand why Mr. KTR is connecting this farmers issue with the Miss World pageant. See, that is an international event. Around 3,000 media people are coming to Hyderabad. And 194 countries, they are participating. There are 147 directly participating in the event. So many people throughout the globe, they are coming to Hyderabad, and our Hyderabad image will go to the next level. Our government, with all our commitment and conviction, we are doing that. This event should go very big, and these people are linking this with the farmers issue. That doesn't have any sense. So I am telling Mr. KTR, you please get yourself checked with any psychologist. Otherwise, I'll suggest one psychologist. You please go there.
Well, what Mr. KTR has said is when it comes to the Formula E race, 45 or 46 crore which was spent is being questioned. But when it comes to beauty pageant, it is 55 crores is what he's talking is being spent here. Then what about it?
See, we didn't question about e-car race when he had organized. We are raising the issue that e-car race there was a corruption involved. Without taking any financial approval from the cabinet, KTR has directly transferred 55 crores from the state exchequer to directly to the e-car company. Because it is a government money which he has sent to them. And that too he converted the Indian rupees into dollars and sent them. So FEMA is also involved there. So first of all, you should understand what mistake he has done, because he was a minister then. Mr. Arvind Kumar, who was the principal secretary then, he confessed that on the oral statement, I have given 55 crores to the e-car race people because they have incurred loss. Here we are not giving for any profit and loss business, we are not doing. It is an event. As an Oscar award, as Miss Universe, Miss India, Miss World, it's an event. So this event is happening to Hyderabad, it's a pride for Hyderabad. And state government is not giving anything to them. It is like 27 crores. What I understand is the state government has allocated 27 crores, out of which 5 crores we have given it to them, and remaining 22 crores will be given by the sponsors. For such a big event, the sponsors are coming and they are giving. Tell me who were the sponsors for e-car racing, and what did the employment they got for in the e-car racing, and tell me how much revenue generated with the e-car racing, and how much employment did you give. When this such a big event is coming to Hyderabad, so many people throughout the globe, they are coming to Hyderabad. I have been told that around 3,000 electronic and print media are coming to Hyderabad, press people, and there are some thousands of people, they are coming and they are participating here. So I'm shocked why Mr. KTR is talking all nonsense. I think he lost his mental status completely. He has to be sent to a rehabilitation center. I think he is perfectly fit there.
Thank you so much for speaking with us. So this was senior Congress leader Rohin Reddy Garu with camera person Damodar Abdul Bashir, Hyderabad.